Leaf. Prepare a piece of wire about 20 cm. Fold it in half and set it aside. We'll use green yarn to make leaves. Work into a chain. Wrap the yarn around the fingers like this. First, make slip knot. The crochet hook is placed on the right side of the yarn, then twist the hook anti-clockwise and wrap the yarn. Pinch the crossover. Yarn on the hook and pull through the loop on the hook. Tighten the loop. A slip knot is made. In round 1, first work 20 chain stitches. Yarn on the hook, pull through the loop on the hook. That's 1 chain stitch. Repeat to finish 12 chain stitches in total. Okay. We can count the ways to check the number of stitches. "12 chain stitches in total. Such a way is 1 stitch. Turn and skip the first chain, then we work into the back loops of the chain to finish the following stitches. The loop on the left is a back loop. It's back loop. Insert the thin wire and place it above the yarn. Do like this. Pinch the wire and the chain together. Bend the wire to avoid poking your hand. Turn, skip the first chain, work 1 single crochet in the second chain. Insert hook into the second chain. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. Yarn on the hook, pull it through the both loops on the hook. That's 1 single crochet. Next, work 2 half double crochets. Yarn on the hook. Insert hook into the next stitch. And pull up loop. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn on the hook. Through all 3 loops. That's a half double crochet. 1 more half double crochet. Yarn on the hook. Insert hook into the next stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. Yarn on the hook, pull it through all 3 loops on the hook. Okay, 2 half double crochets are done. Next, work 5 double crochets. Yarn on the hook. Insert hook into next stitch. Hook the yarn and pull through a loop. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn on the hook. Pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn the hook again, pull through the remaining 2 loops. That's a double crochet. Continue to work 4 more double crochets. Yarn the hook, insert hook into the next stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. Yarn the hook, pull it through the first 2 loops. Yarn the hook again, pull it through the remaining 2 loops. Okay, repeat. Five double crochets are done. Next, work 2 half double crochets. Next, work 3 single crochets in the last chain. Insert hook into the next chain. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. Yarn hook, pull it through both loops on the hook. The first single crochet is done. Continue to work 2 more single crochets in the last chain. Bring the fabric to the bend of the wire. Now we are going to work on the other side of the chain. Bend the wire a little bit to avoid poking yourself. Continue. Next, turn the fabric and first work 2 half double crochets. Yarn around the hook. Insert hook into the stitch, hook the yarn, and pull up loop. Yarn hook, pull it through all 3 loops on the hook. The first half double crochet is done. Continue to work 1 more. Next, work 5 double crochets. Next, 2 half double crochets. Next, 1 single crochet. Finally, 1 slip stitch. Here, pull the yarn through under the wire. Work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 1 is done.